All right, so I got a pretty easy one today. Well, at least I thought, right? So what I'm doing is I have a nail that got stuck in my brad nailer, and I'm gonna get that out. So if you look right there, there's three pretty easy screws you want to take out. I used I used a driver, but you can use an Allen wrench. But what's really most important about this is when you take this off, make sure that you don't lose any of the pieces, right? So you really want to kind of be delicate on, taking the top off, and literally just, put it back the way it was. You probably don't have to take the whole entire piece off, but I'm going to take this piece off just to kind of show you guys, what it looks like. But as you can see, that nail kind of got lodged in there, and that's what was causing me to basically dry fire, and nothing was coming out. It sounded like, just nothing was coming out. So, I'm showing you that, right? Like, it might not even be a bad idea to take a picture just in case if anything does fall, but that's really all it is. Put the pieces back just on top like that. Make sure the three holes line up with the three screw holes, and that is pretty much it. So it's pretty easy. Here's a video of me doing it, and thanks for watching, and make sure you like and subscribe for more videos.